Do you hear me? I'm talking to you. Across the water, across the deep blue ocean, under the open sky. Oh my.
Good morning, guys. We have a big surprise for you today. So, you all recognize our classmate, Maria. Well, I'm going to demonstrate how this Conair curling iron works. Simply take a strand of her hair, hopefully from the top, open up the clip, stick her hair under the clip, and twist. This curling iron heats up within seconds and curls within seconds. Watch. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And voila!
Wow, it heated up so quickly and it didn't hit my hair. How does it work?
The hair is essentially a long strand of protein. When heated up, it easily changes shape. So, as the barrel heats up and your hair is around it, it forms the shape of the barrel. And after a while, it will eventually turn back to its natural shape.
Wow, it looks so complicated. What are all these parts?
I wanna be a billionaire so freaking bad. Buy all of the...
Let me introduce you to my good friend, Dr. Ellen, all the way from San Leandro. She's the head engineer of the Research and Development Department at Conair, the company of the curling irons in this video.
Good morning,
Here's Dr. Ellen.
Good morning, Dr. Engineer.
So can you explain to us how the barrel of the curling iron works?
The burning of the chilling air is the earth, where the hair is water red. It is where the heat comes from. It is insulate the wet structure and the transfer of change from electricity.
Okay, so that's very cool. And what about the clip? How does that work?
Most change airs have a single it composed the air is placed where the
So how does this heat up?
pure air needs electricity. This is why they are usually pushed into the wall.
Oh, okay. So when the curling iron is turned on, the electricity passes through the coils of the metal in the heating element, and then the heating element is a poor conductor of electricity. So instead of transferring the electricity, it heats up, and then the iron's temperature can be set by interrupting the flow of electricity once the temperature has been reached.
Oh, that's right.
Thank you for your time, Dr. Ellen.
My pleasure.
This curling iron is easy to use yourself, so you don't need someone to help you. The cooler thing about this is that you can adjust the temperature. The thermal switch here is created in such a way so that when it gets hot, it expands. And when it expands to a certain size, it stops the flow of electricity. As it cools, it becomes smaller again, allowing the flow of electricity to start the circuit once again. This cycle continues until the power switch is turned off, right here, or the preset temperature is changed by just pushing it.
But when it turns my hair, it will turn out so hot.
Well, when the curling iron is set to a temperature and turned on, the device transmits electricity through the heating element, the barrel. The metal that makes up the part of the curling iron that actually gets hot is simply a poor conductor of electricity, which means that instead of the electricity passing through this barrel, it creates heat. To prevent the metal from getting too hot due to an excess of electricity, curling irons have a built-in thermal switch that stops the flow of electricity when the metal gets to the preset temperature. Any of these numbers here.
at what we have learned today. When the curling iron is turned on, the electricity passes through the coils of metal in the heating element. The metal is a very poor conductor of electricity, so it creates heat. The thermostat in the curling iron is used to set the temperature by interrupting the flow of electricity. Number 3. The hair is a protein, so when it is heated, the shape easily changes, and in this case, it changes to a rounded shape, which is the shape of the curling iron.
Turn around.
Every now and then I get a little bit lonely and you're never coming round.
Turn around.
Every now and then I get a little bit tired of listening to the sound of my tears. Every now and then I get a little bit nervous that the best of all the years have gone by. Every now and then I get a little bit terrified, and then I see the look in your eyes. Every now and then I fall apart. Every now and then I fall apart. And I need you now tonight. And I need you more than ever. And if you only hold me tight, we'll be holding on forever. And we'll only be making it right. 'Cause we'll never be wrong. Together we can take it to the end of the line. Your love is like a shadow on me.
Action.
Let me introduce you to my good friend, Dr. Ellis, all the way from San Leandro, California. She's the head of the...
Just go.
Baby, you light up my world like nobody else. The way that you whip your hair gets me